Namaskaram. I am Chef Ramesh. I am the executive chef of Navotel Kochi Info Park. Today I am here to present you some French dish, fish paupiette with creamy pesto sauce. For that we required a stock to poach the fish. To poach the fish we have to add some bay leaf, some peppercorn, some celery, some salt, so till water boils we will prepare ready the fish. So this is the fish which is already cut into diamond shape, you can see, and I cut in such a way so that I want to put some spinach leaf inside the fish and we place inside the fish. And we close it, and now you turn the fish. So this is the fish paupiette. So we can put it in the fish water. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes. So till then we do the plating also. A bit of olive oil. Add some celery. It will give us some flavoring. Some beetroot brunise. Further some beetroot. It's brunized beetroot, boiled beetroot. So this is the starch for the fish. Add a little bit of salt. So we are taking a mold. So level the beetroot. You just boil quinoa on the top. So we check the fish. So carefully keep the fish on the chopping board. This is the pesto cream sauce. So fish paupiette with beetroot and quinoa with some pesto cream sauce is ready.